Hello everyone and welcome to Gilbert, Arizona.
Gilbert is a town in Maricopa County, Arizona, located about 18 miles southeast of Phoenix Sky Harbor International Airport. It is the fifth largest municipality in Arizona and the fourth largest in the Phoenix metro area. It covers an area of nearly 69 square miles. Gilbert has a subtropical desert climate with hot and dry summers and mild to warm winters with very little rainfall. The town was incorporated on July 6, 1920, and was once known as the hay shipping capital of the world. This one-time agriculture-based community has made a rapid transformation to an economically diverse suburban center located in the southeastern valley of the greater Phoenix area. In the last 3 decades, Gilbert has grown at an extremely high rate, increasing in population from over 5,700 in 1980 to over 281,000 in 2023. It grew at an average annual rate of over 10% during this 40-year period. Back in the day, Gilbert was established by William Gilbert. In 1902, he provided land to the Arizona Eastern Railway to construct a rail line between Phoenix and Florence, Arizona. According to 3 national surveys in 2019, the town ranked highly related to safety, livability, and family life. They say that it is the 7th best place to raise a family in the United States. Gilbert is home to nice restaurants, golf courses, theaters, churches, natural preserves, observatory, farmers markets, public art, and so much more. The first store to open in Gilbert in 1910 was Ayers Grocery Store. In 1912, it became the location of the first post office. The location of the town post office had moved several times before settling on the east side of Gilbert Road in downtown. It still stands there today.